I'm sure you already know that the FlexCNC is one of the most economical, flexible, and capable vertical machining centers in the industry. But did you know that we have multiple series to meet your specific application needs? So today, let's dive in and look at the two primary series in our FlexCNC family, our G and C series machining centers. Though both series have multiple similarities, there are also significant differences that allow us to provide you the exact solution to fit your production needs. The most noticeable difference between the series is the machining center and its connection to the rigid T-slot lined FlexCNC machining bed. Depending on your specifications, you have the option of a cantilever or gantry style machining center.
So as a machinist, I need the exact machine for the job with as little modifications as possible. And when it comes to the right machining center, I gotta have the capability I need when I need it. For example, if I'm drilling, milling, tapping holes in tough material with tight tolerances, I'm gonna need power and rigidity. With the FlexCNC G series, you have up to 40 horsepower of spindle strength moving along two oversized precision linear guideways on both sides of the machining bed for maximum power, rigidity, and stability. But if you're just drilling a high quantity of holes in less dense material and you need speed, our C series cantilever machining center's lighter frame and single point of connection provides the additional speed and capability without sacrificing the quality at the spindle.
Well, there you have it. Just another way Flex can help you start machining outside the box. For more information, downloadable spec sheets, and high-quality CNC content, check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com.